discussing about the conformity and the non-conformity. In that lecture, we have to discuss about some of the point of view of functionalist and the Marxist views on the social control. On the way of viewing social control is to say that it is most effective when it involves persuading people to conform by convincing them that this is the right thing to do. People internalize the norms and the values of their society, thinking of them as their own. If the persuasion does not work, there is a threat of sanctions. Functionalist believes this is process is positive and is essential to continued stability of the society, whereas Marxist sees it as negative in that it allows the ruling class to continue in a power, keeping the working class controlled. For functionists like Emily Durkheim, society need a set of shared values to hold them together. If we talk about functionalist views and Marxist views, there is a slightly different point of views for both of them. First, functionalists believe society's control is essential for continued stability of the society, like social order and process is positive, while Marxist allows the ruling class to empower and keeps the working class control, so view the process is as negative. So basically, Emily Durkheim society need to set up a shared values to hold them together as functioning societies, and in the order to prevent anomie. Anomie often happen when individuals lack the guidance of norms and the values and are unable to regulate their behavior, so that bond between the individual and the societies break down. Durkheim argues that society need a collective conscious shared by all or nearly all. In the traditional societies in Australia studied by Durkheim, that clan or the tribe joined together in worshipping the totem, and this gave them sense of shared identity. The clan's values were their own. In the modern society, and especially during the periods of rapid social change, there is a risk that the bonds that hold society together will break down. The Marxists refer to school, the media, and the religion as the ideological state apparatus. That is institution that make people believe that it is right to conform. However, the norms and the values that conform to are those that suit the ruling class and help to keep the ruling class in power. For example, working class people might accept the belief that people who are born into the high status deserve their status and should be respected and obeyed. This is an effect of a form of brainwashing, and working the class concerned is in a condition of false consciousness by accepting beliefs that they are against its own interest. The step keeps in reserve the use of the repressive state apparatus of the police, the criminal justice system, and armed force state when ideological status apparatus does not work.